Volvo is stepping into a new phase of its electric journey, and this moment feels bigger than just another vehicle rolling off a production line. The company has officially started building its all-new electric mid-size sport utility vehicle, the EX60, at its long-standing facility in Torslanda, Sweden. This is not just another model launch. It represents a shift in how Volvo sees its future, especially as it doubles down on electric mobility. There is something meaningful about the EX60 being designed, developed, and produced entirely in Sweden. It brings everything back to Volvo's roots while pushing the brand forward into a new era. The Torslanda plant, located just outside Gothenburg, has been heavily upgraded in recent years to support this transition. With major investments reaching around 10 billion Swedish krona, the facility now features advanced mega casting technology, a new battery assembly operation, and updated production systems that are clearly built with the future in mind. What stands out right away is the strong demand even before customers begin receiving their vehicles. Orders across Europe have already exceeded expectations, especially in markets like Sweden and Germany. Because of this, Volvo is not waiting around. The company has already decided to increase production volumes for 2026, even considering extending factory operations into an additional week during the summer. That kind of move is rare and shows just how confident Volvo is about the EX60's potential. From a performance standpoint, the numbers are impressive. The EX60 is expected to deliver a driving range of up to 810 kilometers under testing conditions, putting it right at the top of its class. Charging is equally strong, with the ability to go from 10% to 80% in just 16 minutes under ideal conditions. For many drivers, that means less waiting and more time on the road, which is still one of the biggest concerns when switching to an electric vehicle. Pricing also plays a key role here. Volvo is positioning the EX60 in line with its best-selling XC60 plug-in hybrid, which could make it a very attractive option for buyers who are ready to move fully electric without stepping into a completely different price bracket. That balance between performance, practicality, and pricing is where Volvo seems to be aiming carefully. Beyond the vehicle itself, the X60 carries a much larger impact. Volvo expects it to become one of Sweden's most valuable export products, helping strengthen the country's economy while reinforcing the region's role as a major automotive hub. It is not just about building cars anymore. It is about building long-term growth, innovation, and sustainability in a way that benefits both the company and the broader industry. This is one of those moments where you can feel a company turning a page. Volvo is not experimenting anymore. It is committing, scaling, and pushing forward with confidence. And if the early demand is any indication, the EX60 could end up being one of the most important vehicles the brand has launched in years.